This is ALCATEL T110 Smart, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, log into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar input the Opera query, once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation either directly from the search results, or you can just open the app details or app info page and tap at the install button over there as well. Now simply wait for the Opera to be downloaded and installed, the rate or speed of which depends on how fast and stable is your Wi-Fi connection, so it might take anywhere between 10-15 seconds to minute, I would assume. So let's simply wait. I will probably check the download queue of my Play Store to see if any other random app installations or updates interfere with the Opera download. Everything seems to be alright, and the Opera download is still pending, but the moment that I actually say that, it started to download itself, so now it's just a matter of waiting. So let's do exactly that. So as you can see, the Opera app was successfully installed. Now you gotta launch it and perform a very simple setup while opening it for the first time. Just either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.